Okay, I'm alive here. Nice. Beautiful. This is muted, so cool. Nice. I will leave you here. And finally, the last one. I'm gonna close this. Let's go to YouTube. Actually, I'm gonna move this kind of here. Let's create the emission. And I will modify this. Take me out from the ordinary. Let's move this real quick to fuck. This one. Oh my goodness. What I have done. Hello, where is my okay. Let's start here. So I'm alive on live too. Well, so the idea today is to, work a little bit more on the Flappy Bird project, but also what? I want to get the fab stuff for free. The thing that is for free this week. So I would just say fab. The free assets that Epic usually gave us every 2 weeks. So let's go here and let's get this one. I will get the professional license because why not? Oh Jesus. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's get the professional license and buy this thing. And I will just buy this thing. Okay, nice. Nice. Let's get the second one. This is the ultimate spell system. Oh, this is nice because I want to cooldown system, one simple component, casting spell system, charging effect, setting animations. I have few ideas for a few games with this system, so nice to have it. The thing is, I don't work that much with Unreal, but okay, for learning purposes, why not? You know what? I forgot. I forgot to pull the other chat. Where can I get the other? Okay, anyways, I will just grab the final one. That is sci fiction troopers. This is kind of meh, but this is also for free. So yeah, let's get it. And in the meantime, I will get also the other. Where is the chat here? Pop out this chat, which is nice. Remove this small here. You know what? I'm gonna move you to another window. Nice. I will expand you here and you are gonna be in another window. Perfect. Okay, so I want to add the new window for my so this is YouTube Español window. Make sure it is visible. Safari, I think this is the one. Yes. Okay, there we go. We'll maximize this. I will move real quick my window here, kind of so you are able to see at least what you write. Move this here. Where are my chat windows here? Okay, beautiful, nice. Okay, so we are just grabbing the free assets. Unity Asset Store, they usually give away also free assets. So Asset Store. Usually you go, okay, I'm logged in, nice. So you go accept these cookies, because why not? You go here where the publisher of the week, you say shop now, and they are gonna give you this code so you can get it for free. You get your gift now, love hate. So this is just pixel crushers. I don't know what is this. This is like with love hate your characters will have personalities, emotional states. I mean, okay, this is kind of the relationship and create personality simulator for Unity. It models character feelings about each other using emotional states and value-based judgment of deeds, including gameplay actions to be done by the player. So cool, why not? Maybe not the type of stuff that I do, but you know, it is for free, so yeah, let's get it. Okay, this is compromised, and I'm still compromising my data in this stream, so I think I'm gonna move this window here because this is gonna pop up some personal information that I don't want you to see. So no, let's copy the coupon code. Okay, apply the coupon code, and now this is for free, so I just pay now, like $0, and that's pretty much it. Hold on, what's going on? Oh, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, what we are doing? Okay, so last time we were just doing bad stuff. Bad stuff in the sense of I was just destroying my project. So not a good sign. I was not on live in the other channel, dude. So yes, the idea today, maybe today is gonna be very short, like maybe 40 minutes or so. So the idea today is to fix some of the stuff, some of the systems that I have. One of them is the pipes manager. So yeah, we have this, but we don't have any. Yeah, the menus are kind of working still. I don't know why this is like doing that weird stuff, but yeah. And okay. So let's begin. Previously I had a scriptable object with game assets level 1. We had okay, we downloaded some music, so this is the background music for this one. And the flap sounds, we forgot what's the one that we choose. Okay, this is the short one. So oh my goodness, let's pop this up. Properties, nice, and let's drag and drop this flap sound. I think this is gonna be the one that is for all of them. I don't have maybe hit sound. I don't want to have a hit sound. Maybe just a game over sound. Do I have a game over sound? Let's see. Hold on. Just give me 1 second. Gonna answer something. And that's pretty much it. Okay, we are back. Okay, what is the other window? Don't see it. I don't see it. Okay, yeah, the thing is, maybe I will finish this project maybe offline later, because I want to rush maybe a little bit just to record the tutorial, and then I will move to a project that I want to do that is for a game jam. Nice. The game jam that I'm talking about is, let's see, this one. I want to, let's go to itch.io and the jams. So I saw one, where are we? Psycho spiritual. Where is the horror? Okay, I was in, oh, this is one that I want to be part of. I didn't know that we have this one. And oh my goodness, where could I see the game jams that I am part of? I was in one that is, I think this is summer horror. Is it this one? This is gonna last. No, I don't think this is the one that I'm. Until September, but what? Okay, this could be one. But as far as I know, I was involved in, I don't know where can I see the jumps that I am part of, because I wanted to participate in one that is feature jam, top has in progress, decade jam. This is the one. This is the one that I want to be part of. And this is cool because this has three different themes. So the theme one is Theater of the Grotesque. I don't know how to pronounce that. So this is body horror. The game focuses on body horror. I remember I like this topic because it reminds me when I had I don't know how to say that, but one of the Edgar Allan Poe histories, and the book had these kind of illustrations that are kind of similar to this one. So I was like, oh, this is cool. This is a very, very good topic or theme to pick up for a game. I don't have experience doing horror games, but why not? It's interesting. Stick to the script. This is the part that I was like these days thinking about maybe how could I do it. There's a puzzle in the game where you are supposed to reenact a scene in the play according to a script. So I don't know how to do this part. I just was kind of getting some ideas, but this is the theme that I want to pick. This other one is Song of the Sea. The game includes sailing, art, or swimming game mechanic, and is primarily set in at an around sea. Like this theme is really, really interesting, but I don't know, for developing something like that in such a short period of time. Like, we have still 27 days, but I need to finish first my Flappy Bird game and record that and stuff like that. So maybe I will start this project until the next week. And the other theme is Dark Streets. So this is also cool, but this is maybe one that is kind of picked up by many people. So yeah, kind of it is still interesting, but it is not that motivating for me, at least. So yes, I think this is the one. I don't know how streamable this is. Like, I don't want this to be put it like an adult topic or something like that. I could do something maybe cartoony, but like, this is horror game, so yeah. You need to incorporate your chosen theme into your game in some way, and before you submit it, you will need to write at least one short sentence about how your game fits your chosen theme. It is completely up to you how to interpret the theme. Feel free to create it. Okay, yeah. But this has to be a horror game. So I think I have a lot of assets to work with. I was thinking also in creating a VR, but it's a pain in the ass because I have to set up then not this Mac but the Windows machine. The Windows machine doesn't have a great camera, so it kind of sucks, and the audio sucks there. I also have my Oculus Quest here, so I was thinking, okay, it could be cool, but maybe not for this game jam. I mean, this is not that streamable, and it is very uncomfortable. I have to put and take away my headset. Didn't know that Brakis was launching another game jam, so week to make a game. The theme, I think it is released the day. This is also a very interesting one because I think this is challenging because this one makes you think hard, like think out of the box, and I've seen a lot of people doing crazy things, very cool ones, but very distinctive games. So that's cool. And okay, this is just about to finish. I don't know what is this about, but yeah, I'm just gonna close this. What is this? Broken Relic final demo. What is this about? What is this, dude? So yeah, and this is kind of interesting too. Like there is not that much awards. Actually, this is with the Spanish dudes. Let's see.
Este verano.
Ah, yeah, I remember. Yeah, these guys are from Spain. So yeah, that's the idea. Okay, I was doing this. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I need to open this one real quick in my sprite editor. This the head, the pipe heads must have the pivot in the center, not at the bottom. That's the only thing that I have to fix. I don't know how many of these I'm gonna use, so let's set that in all of them. Great, so just save. Yeah, save. So I have my game manager, and the selected assets for now is gonna be the one that I have. This is my default one. Okay, cool. This is gonna change it later, but I want to spawn the elements according to what I have here in this scriptable object. Because when you are in start menu, you are gonna say play, and it is gonna bring you to a new window where you can select 3 levels, at least 3 levels. I think I'm gonna include in the tutorial, and then is where you can load the selected assets. So I have the pipe head, the ground. I should also be able to get the public, audio clip, in this case just music, yeah, background music, that is gonna be whatever I have here. Also a flap sound. I want, yes, I need to look game. Okay, let's go here, and free sounds. I want something to put like game over thing. So let's go here real quick, and let's look for game over. So just to see what can have here, game over. No. Okay, this is. Are they the same? Okay.
Game over.
You lost.
Nah. Yeah. No, you know what? Lose. You lose. This one. Hey, I love this one.
You lose.
Okay, this is gonna be the song that I'm gonna pick. So how can I download this? Let's download this bad boy, and let's go to my Unity projects, Flappy Bird assets, audio, sounds. Just gonna just grab this. And how could I share this? How could I say thank you? Hello? No. I want to say thank you. How can I? Creative Commons 0. You can copy, modify, distribute, and perform the sound even for commercial purposes without needing to asking permission for. Yeah, I will get anyways the attribution text. Oh, okay. And never mind. Thank you, cabled mess. And I'm gonna include this one in the project. So what is loose? Yes, this one. Nice. So I will grab this and instead of hit sound, this is gonna be renamed to this is gonna be what, game over sound. Do I want to rename this? Yes, next. So game over, what? Game over sound. Yeah, I'm gonna do it manually because I don't know what I just. Game over, cool. So these are gonna be the, what is this? No, I will remove this class. I'm not gonna make use of that. I don't know what is that class for. It's because of the old tutorial I was just doing. Okay, anyways, so let's go to game manager. Okay. Okay, game manager has these assets, so I can get rid of this. Let's save. So I have my input and my background. I have my level. So I get some boundaries that are essentially sprites. Clouds, I need clouds. Do I have clouds? Let's see, do I have clouds? I don't know. Let's go to Stream Manager just to see one thing. Okay. Oh, this thing is picking up the bit rate. Okay. So let's go to game over. That is this loose. Yes. Nice. Thank you. Can close this. And here I have my level. I have my main camera. I have the background. What's the thing for the background? I see. These are the players. These are the tiles. These are the pipes. The simple style. Well, I'm gonna just keep the clouds for now. Okay, I have the clouds, the ground. So, okay, I have this level manager. And I also have this pipes manager. So in this case, I think I will create the pipes first. I have the transform, yes. But where I get, okay, I have this on state changed events. I'm setting the difficulty. These are the states: on destroy, on death, on update, handle pipe spawning, and movement. This is the thing that I want to encapsulate in just another movement. What do you do? See, this is the thing that I want to create, to have in another script. Create gap pipes. I'm creating a pipe. I'm creating the different instances. So I will create this. Okay, this is gonna be a pipe couple. Or pipe pairs. Piper, yeah. This will be my piper. And I want, okay, so first of all, what do I need here? So I need to get from game manager. So let's go here. So I need first an instance of my game. So start, or even on enable, but let's leave it just on start. Yes, this has to be, yeah, because this is instantiated. So this needs to be on enable. And here I will have, like, I will create what? Private sprite. Actually, this should be serialized. Serialized field. Serialized field. And private sprite renderer. But in this case, this will be the. So I will have. I need to have two different pipes in here. So maybe this is not serialized. How could I say, like, okay, maybe in here I might need to create a linear class called private class pipe. And this class maybe contains, this is just the object that is gonna contain maybe the information about that. I'm gonna just close this. I don't know how to solve this. Or I just can have a transform. Like, don't overcomplicate this. Like pipe top. Okay, let's see. Serialized field. Transform. Top pipe and the bottom pipe. I can have these two transforms, and they are essentially just how could I say, prefabs, and I just set the values there. That would be it. So for each pipe, actually I could create just a script for a single pipe with the reference of a transfer element or a sprite for the body and another sprite for the head. and that would be easier to explain. Let's create that. Just pipe. You are a mono behavior. And this pipe has. Yeah, I could just do it in this way. Where's my pipe? This is the pipe, so I could have just serialized field that is a sprite renderer with head pipe, and the other one, this is private, and the actual thing itself is just the body. So private sprite render bottom pipe, no, but a body pipe body. Yeah, and here on enable, I should get, so when this is instantiated, this automatically gets game manager dot game assets. Oh, my game manager doesn't have any game assets. Yes, but this is not okay. Public static. Yeah, I put this static. What's wrong with this? Oh fuck. Make property selected as non-static, or make but if like this is the selected one, because this is not serialized anymore. But if this is not serialized, I'm not able to reference that in the inspector. Have to think maybe how to make that happen. This needs to be just a, this is just a singleton. I'm gonna leave it for now here. And what I'm gonna do here is that instance, yes, that game assets selected, oh my goodness, how could I get access to this? This is not static anymore, this is just public. Selected assets. Okay, so the thing that I'm gonna do is just I would say bar selected assets equals to this. Nice. And here what I'm gonna say is pipe body dot sprite is gonna be equals to on this case selected assets dot pipe body. So I select that, and I also will say head pipe head pipe, that sprite is gonna be the head of that one. So I'm referencing I'm just referencing that on this way. What's the other thing that I have to do? Set height. So when I spawn the pipe, I should assign a height or an altitude, no matter if that is inverted or if this is just coming from the ground. With that height, okay, let's see how I was doing it. My pipes manager, I was defining a position. I get the instance. When I create the bottom, I say I was setting first the head position for some reason here instead of the body position is camera ortho size. Where this height is coming from. Create pipe. Okay, maybe if this is the pipe, this should take care of two elements. Is this inverted or not? And what is the height that I need to set? So first of all, I should have a boolean bool called is inverted. Is this inverted or not? So I can set the value going down or going up. So let's see, for instance, var is inverted equals, so is inverted. If this is inverted, then this is just 1, otherwise no, -1, -1, otherwise this is just 1. Yeah, this is integer. This is integer. Might be initialized before accessing. Okay. Int is inverted, or just no, direction. This is gonna be on y or -y. I'll be between a reference. Okay, let's just do it like this is gonna be 0. Let's do it in the old way. So if it's inverted, then direction is -1, else direction is 1. Simple as that. If this is not inverted, Expression is always true. Okay. Okay. Direction is 1. It's only a sign but never used. Okay. So I should take care of the altitude, I think. For the altitude, maybe I need this thing actually should be a transform. So yeah, this is just a transform value, and this should be to transform. Oh fuck. Because I will set that, so that get component type sprite, right, render. So I should do the same here. So yes. What else? Here I should just spawn, or it should be on update. Need to organize better my mind. But yeah, I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna finish the streaming for today, so yeah, hope you have enjoyed that.